Top 3 affiliate marketing for beginners in Nigeria. Hello, you're welcome to my channel. The first on my list is ExPartner. ExPartner pays you for recommending high-value digital products from top experts to those in need of the product. It may be your friends, your followers, contacts, family, or your subscribers. So all you have to do is to share the unique affiliate link of each product listed on their website, and their tracking system ensures that you get paid whenever you make sales. They have a lot of digital products you can pick from. When you sell, you get paid some commission depending on the percentage attached to the product you are promoting. Some could be 30%, 50%, and so on and so forth. So to sign up as an affiliate on ExPartner, you will have to pay a yearly renewable affiliate fee of 10,000 naira only. So if ExPartner seems too expensive for you, or you don't have enough capital to get started, there's a better option for you, and this takes us to the second website on my list, and the second one is Digistem affiliate platform. So Digistem is an affiliate platform where you learn, sell, and also earn at the same time. It is an online marketplace for digital products. It was launched on July 2022 to help the unemployed, to help students, stay-at-home moms, and anyone willing to earn in dollars to make money online without any form of barrier. It's one of the fastest growing affiliate platform in Nigeria, and most importantly, this platform is available for all Africans. It is not limited to only Nigerians alone. So if you are watching this video from other African countries, then you should try out this affiliate program. It works by first becoming an affiliate on Digistem. As a registered affiliate on Digistem, you will have access to promote digital courses on the platform, and when you make sales, you will get paid a commission. And to become an affiliate, you need to get one of their courses called the Ultimate Money Machine course that teaches key digital ways to make more money online with digital skills. This course teaches about copywriting, marketing, WhatsApp traffic generation, Facebook advert setup, Instagram ad generation, closing and handling of objections. So if you are looking up to learn a digital skill and you don't know how to get started, you can start with Digistem affiliate marketing. So one thing is you will learn the skill, and you also make money through it because you will become an affiliate, and from there you can recommend the product, you can promote the product, and also make money. So that's why I said earlier that it's a place whereby you learn, you earn at the same time. When you promote a course, let's say you promote the Ultimate Money Machine course, then you are able to make sales, you will earn 50% per sales. So presently, the Ultimate Money Making course is 15,000 naira. So when you make a sale, you get paid 50% of 15,000 naira. And you get this on every sales that you make. So Digistem pays affiliates every Saturday, and with Digistem, you can start to cash out every week. So to get started, use the link in the description below to start your affiliate journey on Digistem. So the third on my list here is Takeout. Takeout is also an excellent affiliate platform, and if you're looking for a platform where you can start affiliate marketing for free without paying any amount, then Takeout is the way for you. Just like other affiliate platform mentioned earlier, Takeout has a lot of digital products. So sign up with your right details, pick up your desired products, and start selling. You get paid when you make any form of sale. So just go right to their platform, that's takeout.com, and then register with your right details, pick up your desired products, and start selling. If you would like to know more about Digistem affiliate and how it works, click and watch this video. Do like and subscribe for more videos of affiliate marketing and how to make money online. Thanks for watching. Till we see in the next video. Bye.